Hi friends, today I'll show you how to make a very healthy banana oats pancakes without egg. To make these pancakes we need oats, a ripe banana, milk, baking soda and raisins. Combine all ingredients in blender. Use browner banana because browner banana is more sweet. All the natural sweetness comes in the banana, so here I am not using sugar. If your banana is not sweet, then you can add sugar or jaggery. Blend it until you have a nice thick batter. Add raisins and mix it well. If your batter is more thick, you can add milk or water and mix it well. Heat the pan on medium flame. Lightly coat with butter so nothing to stick. Pour batter in the pan to form small medium-sized pancakes. Cook for 2 minutes. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Now pancakes are ready to serve.